Hello everyone, my name is Jiten and in this video I am going to show you how to set up your mic in Steam. Recently Steam have updated their settings. So before the update, the mic settings used to be here in the interface section. Now they have changed from here to here on the right corner of friends and chat settings. And you have to click on this gear option, then you can find the voice settings here, voice setup and testing. So in my case I've selected the blue snowball eyes here as a voice input device, and you can see the other settings are here. They've also added some advanced settings, so you can use that. So this is the simple fix for people who are not able to find their mic settings in Steam. So thanks for watching. So leave a like if it helped you and share with the friend who is having the same problem. Thanks for watching. See you next time.